Warehouses come in all shapes and sizes these days. They are completely customizable these days, being made of brick, steel, concrete, or wood to match the ideal look that companies have for their businesses.
Well, in the Northeast, they have been traditionally deep, big foundation buildings that were basically steel cans, okay? They would end up being dark, dank, uninhabitable places.
All warehouses are expensive. Our traditional tilt-up concrete warehouse we have 9 miles down the road there's painting, there's a lot of other expenses that go into it versus a building like we're sitting in right now.
High building cost, high upkeep cost, and harm to the environment are only some of the reasons why some companies are looking toward alternative building materials and practices.
This building is made out of all new product, but it can be recycled. This building is like a large erector set. So all of the steel can be recycled, the fabric for the high-density polyethylene can be recycled, as well as the concrete foundation can be taken out and recycled. This building has to be held down, not like traditional buildings which have to be held up. So as a result, it requires mass to stay stable. But the mass is a lot less foundation than in traditional buildings. So you have a lot of different foundation options for this building. A lot of people still call them tents because of the fabric. They have an idea in their mind that it can't be engineered. Yet all of these buildings are engineered site-specific. The fabric allows light through. In a lot of applications, don't need any electricity or lights during the day.
Warehouses and structures made with recycled and innovative materials are the future of the industry and a brighter future for our planet. Created by two ambitious entrepreneurs, Hybrid Building Solutions is leading the way with innovative steel and fabric warehouses that can save you time and money on building and upkeep costs.
We both lost our jobs in 2008, 2009, and couldn't find jobs. We had always been interested in these buildings, so started Hybrid Building Solutions. Not having any employees, Brian's mother offered to work for us for a year when she retired. So she was our bookkeeper. I did the sales, and Brian built the first building himself, and it went from there. We now have over 225 buildings in the state of New York and along the eastern seaboard.
We do try to use as many recycled products as possible. All of our rebar in our foundation is all recycled product as well. To be environmentally sound, what we've done is we're a lighter impact on the environment as a whole.
Hybrid Building Solutions builds fabric and steel structures faster than structures made with traditional materials. These innovative structures are extremely durable and can be customized to meet the needs of your business.
So our experience with hybrid started when we purchased this plot of land. Other contractors said it's not buildable, you can't do this, you can't do what you want to do. And Brian came in with his team and said, you can do it, this is how you do it. Held our hands through that process of it. And then through the building stage, Brian came to us and said, I want to do everything from doing all the site work on it to putting the building up. So Brian and his team were involved in it from day one. And I would say from the time that we purchased the land to the time this building that we're sitting in right here was up was less than 18 months. And we were using it for our operation.
What I like about working with hybrid structures is not the fact that, they work us as in a great partnership, but it's the repeat business they give to all their clients. So it's not what I look at as the one or two great projects they do, but how often customers are coming back to them time and time again because they do great work.
Our overall experience with Hybrid Building Solutions has been awesome. I didn't know Brian and Mary Louise when we first started speccing buildings and looking at buildings, and honestly, over the course of 10 years, we're not only customers, we're very good friends and associates, and I'm happy to speak highly of their product and their service.
Hybrid Building Solutions is positioned in a very unique spot. The fact is that the industry continues to evolve with the product line as well as the engineering. Our ability to expand the uses of these buildings keeps on going. We reinvest into the company, as well as we have an opportunity to do a little bit of vertical integration. We're going to start building some of our own product as well, some of our own precast foundations and things along that lines.
For more information, visit our website at hybridbuildingsolutions.com.